If you want to learn how to merge clips in CapCut PC quickly and cleanly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to bring multiple clips together on the timeline, arrange them in the right order, and make sure they play back smoothly as one continuous sequence. This is super useful for editing vlogs, tutorials, short-form videos, or any project where you want to combine several clips into one polished edit. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you already have a project started, just load it up so you can work inside your existing edit. If not, create a new project and get ready to bring in your footage. Once your project is open, the next step is to import the video clips you want to merge. You can usually do this by dragging and dropping your files into CapCut, or by using the import option and selecting the clips from your computer. After your clips are imported, you'll see them available in your media panel, ready to use. Now drag the clips down to the timeline. This is where the actual editing happens, and it's the section you'll use to line everything up properly. Take each clip and place it onto the timeline one after another. If you have multiple pieces of footage, don't worry about perfection at this stage. The main goal is just to get everything onto the timeline so you can organize it next. Once the clips are on the timeline, arrange them in the desired order by dragging them left or right. This is the part where you decide the flow of your final video. For example, if you want your intro first, then your main scene, then an ending clip, just move each piece into the correct position. CapCut makes this easy because you can click and drag each clip until it sits exactly where you want it. If the order looks wrong, simply swap the clips around until the story makes sense from start to finish. After that, make sure the clips are placed next to each other with no gaps between them. This is an important step because gaps can create empty spaces or black pauses in your video, which can make the edit feel unfinished. To merge clips properly, you want the end of one clip to touch the beginning of the next clip. Keep dragging them until they snap together closely on the timeline. When there are no gaps, the clips will play back like one continuous video, which is exactly what you want when merging footage. It's also a good idea to scrub through the timeline and preview the sequence before exporting. That way you can confirm the clips are in the right order and there are no unwanted spaces between them. If something feels off, just adjust the placement again until it looks smooth. Once everything is lined up correctly, your clips are effectively merged into one seamless edit inside CapCut PC, and that's it. You've now learned how to merge clips in CapCut by opening your project, importing your footage, dragging everything to the timeline, arranging the order, and closing the gaps between clips. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.